Senior residents living in National Church residences, affordable housing communities in Atlanta, who were once food insecure, are now receiving free meals every day. It's all thanks to the hard work of National Church Residences staff and community partners. In fact, even senior residents without food challenges are given the option of receiving free meals as well. Leading this initiative to make sure 1,400 seniors who live in National Church residences, Fulton County communities have free meals every day is Jackie Thornton, Director of Population Health for National Church residences. A native of Savannah, Georgia, Jackie grew up in Southwest Atlanta. She knew at a very young age that serving elders was her purpose. With COVID-19 upending daily life, many seniors find their access to food limited and their social isolation increased. When the pandemic hit, Jackie knew immediately that she needed to turn the unused commercial kitchen at the Big Bethel Village community into a food hub for seniors in need during the crisis. Partnering with Fulton County Government Senior Services Department, the Food Hub began distributing 315 meals daily to senior residents. After the shelter-in-place orders were implemented and food banks and soup kitchens were running out of meals, the need for food became greater among senior residents. Weeks after reopening the kitchen, National Church residents became the recipient of a $250,000 grant from the Fulton County government's COVID-19 Emergency Relief Fund. In addition, the nonprofit organization received a $95,000 grant from the Greater Atlanta COVID-19 Response and Recovery Fund, a joint effort from the Community Foundation for Greater Atlanta and United Way of Greater Atlanta, and the grants are paying off already. Volunteers began distributing thousands of meals to residents in the last week of April. Over 44,000 meals will be distributed to seniors over the next 12 weeks. The grant will continue to provide meals to seniors through the end of July. The nonprofit organization will utilize the funding to design and implement a centralized on-demand food hub service in the county for older adults, formerly homeless, and people with disabilities. Funding will also be used for nutritional support, along with purchasing personal protective equipment, PPEs, and supplies. In addition, residents will be provided access to transportation for picking up prescriptions and taking care of other critical needs. Food is not the only concern for vulnerable populations. Seniors are facing the threat of social isolation. The grant will address these concerns as well. The county's humanitarian commitment is making a difference in mitigating food insecurity for seniors living under National Church residences' rooftops. The support reduces stress and fear among them, and residents are eternally grateful for these resources.